Hey guys, Rugs here. I have a good news for you chess fanatics. If you're a chess enthusiast or love playing any chess, this video is just for you. Introducing M8 points. So what exactly are M8 points? M8 points are part of Anichess
My God! Wow!
new reward system. Just log in on your account and you can easily see the claim button beside your profile, and play on your account each day to qualify. What can you earn with M8 points? By staying active and playing, you can unlock spells, in-game cosmetics, exclusive rewards, and more. And wait, there's more. Here's a quick reminder. The daily cycle resets at 8 a.m. and the claiming opens at 3 p.m. Don't forget, unclaimed points will expire once the next claim cycle begins. Download Anichess now and start M8 points. Click the link above. Thank you.